Hi,
Hi.
my name's Dante. This is Miranda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where I want to start at, and this is a good point of reference for for you to look at when you're working with your clients. The head begins to round down a little bit right here in the front of the hairline. So right about where that levels off and it starts to flatten out at the top of the head here, that's where I'm going to start my section. So I'm going to start right at where the flat of the head meets that roundness. And I'm going to bring that section from the center parting, I'm going to bring it right down to the front of the ear. Okay? So actually, I'll show you with my comb what I mean. Right where my comb is lifting off the head right here. You guys can see it right there. I want to start right there. That's where my section is going to come. And it's going to come right down to the front of the ear. All right, guys, so we're going to break some rules here. I'm always good for that, actually. I have a hard time following the rules. So if you see, I'm using the tip of my blade to cut out to the left. So for a right-hander, that would be a little bit like working against yourself. The other alternative to that is coming up underneath and using the heel of your blade and cutting in this direction. But again, if I can challenge you in any ways, try working your dexterity and keeping that wrist motion, but cutting back the other way. Come in right there where a slight bit of elevation just so that I create a little more softness. And I'm coming from behind. And I want to put that piece right there by the corner of the mouth. Now, where I came out on that piece, I want to come from the front. You guys see? Work off of my center parting, and I'm going to work from the center out. Again, I'm using what they call the heel side of the blade. My stroke is coming from my wrist. So if you watch me, this is kind of crucial because it really helps you to create that added softness. And I want you to see how many strokes it takes for me to get through this line. Again, it's not too fast, not too quick. I'm just letting that blade work on that hair. Taking a lot of strokes. Up to my second knuckle, out. But I want you to see this. It's very soft.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.